In this video, I'll be showing you how to reset sound settings in Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if your Windows 11 audio is completely silent, unbalanced, or your games and apps are routing sound to the wrong audio drivers, a full audio reset will instantly flush the system's sound configuration back to its factory default. So what you want to do is right-click the speaker icon located in the bottom right corner, and that's going to be right here. Then what we're going to do is click Sound Settings. Then in the central sound settings dashboard, scroll all the way down and you're going to see advanced options or just more sound settings. But we want to click the volume mixer section. It's then going to look like this. And then right there, it says reset sound devices and volumes for all apps to the recommended defaults. So that's all you want to go ahead and do. So click the physical reset button. And as a result, the display panel will briefly flicker for a split second. And that tells you that Windows 11 has completely cleared its custom audio caches, realigned your master input and output tracks, and forced every software application back to your default playback hardware. Once you're done with that, you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.